Welcome to the channel Mini Galactic Heroes Today.
My name is Gavin, and in today's video, we will be taking a look at LEGO Ideas set number 21357, and this is LEGO Ideas number 65. And this set is called Disney Pixar Luxo Jr. So without further ado, let's get right on in to breaking down this build. So first, everybody, we are going to be taking a look at the Pixar ball, the iconic Pixar ball. And the Pixar ball comes in two methods, the stand, or if I open up this off of camera, you can also give him, let me put this back, you can also have the full version of the Pixar ball. And first, here is the characters from the movie Up, as you can see. And if we open up this side, you can see Woody and Buzz Lightyear. If we open up this side, you can see Sully and Mike. On this side, you can see, I honestly don't know who this is. Oh, something came off. We'll put that back on. And if you open up this side, you can see the Incredibles. And then finally, if you open up this side, you can see maybe Finding Nemo. Yeah. The characters from Finding Nemo. And if you put them back on, you will have actually a full version of and I'm putting this back on, of the Pixar ball right here. Don't want to drop this, but we're going to put this back on its stand so everything is in order. But yeah, that, my friends, is the iconic Pixar ball. So everybody, setting that aside and moving on to the Luxo Jr. lamp that appears in front of every Pixar movie, this can, of course, like the Pixar lamp, do a bounce, a bounce, a bounce, off camera, and then a bounce, a bounce, a bounce, back on camera. And in the light, if I take off the light, if I can, if we open up this light bulb, basically, you can see the Pizza Planet truck, which is in every Pixar movie as well. But let's put back on the lamp so we can give ourselves some light. And there are more characters down underneath the set. So I will open that up off camera so you can see what basically is underneath the base of this set. Yep, sorry about that, folks. I'm not going to do that since off camera I basically took apart the set. So yep, you're not going to see what's under the base. Sorry about that. But with that, now that will round out today's video. So without further ado, let's round out this video and head the tracks for home. Well, everybody, I hope you had fun watching this video, and make sure don't forget to like and subscribe and notification bell for any alerts. And then also, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until I see you the next time, peace out and have a fantastic rest of your day.
Well, everybody, I hope you had fun watching this video, and make sure to check out one of the other videos